guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to answer a few questions about back to school, as in a back to school Q&A. Okay, so the first question is actually what I wanted to talk about in this video. The first question is, what do you study? I graduated high school this year. What I will be studying is called creative business. It's like a combination of marketing, film, photography. It's not one like specific thing, it's like a lot of things, so you can still do basically whatever you want. It has things to do with like media and things like that. I didn't know what I wanted to do for a really long time. In the Netherlands you have to apply for college before the 1st of May. I applied the 28th of April and I applied for like 4 different things, so I could still choose after you applied. I applied for tourism management in English and in Dutch. I applied for creative business and I applied for communication and multimedia design. Then you go to every study for like a study check, so they can see if you like fit into the program. I love tourism, like I love traveling and everything that comes with traveling. I think that I don't like working in tourism, I just like the traveling, so doing like a tourism study wasn't for me. I chose for creative business because I just think it fits me more. At one point I was like, I just need to choose, so I just chose creative business. Let's see how this goes. What do you want to do in the future? I can't really answer that because I really don't know. I would love to do something with like film, like videography, but I don't want to make like films, so I don't know. Favorite memory you made this summer? I think my favorite memory of this summer is either when I went to Amsterdam with my friend Pip, because I had not seen her in like 8 months. There was also one of our friends from Denmark who was there, and it was just really nice. We surprised her that we were in Amsterdam. We just spent time with her and other friends, and that was just really nice. I loved that day, it was so nice. My other favorite memory is when I went to Barcelona with my Spanish friend. I hadn't seen her in a year, so it was really nice to reunite with her as well in Barcelona, and we just had a lot of fun. I want to tell a funny story about that. It's actually not funny maybe for you guys, but for me it was really weird because we went to Starbucks. Like the signs, like everything was in Spanish. On the sign it said something with mango and then it said things in Spanish, so I didn't know what it was, but I knew that it was mango. So I was like asking the woman, like, I don't speak Spanish, but what is it, what is that drink? I mean, it's mango, but what is it? She goes, it's fruit. I'm like, I know mango is fruit, but what's the drink? I'm not Spanish. She goes, it's fruit. And I'm like, okay, never mind, I'll just get it. In the end the drink was really nice, but it was just a really weird moment because I wanted to know what it was, but she didn't speak English, so she was like, it's fruit. And I'm like, okay, never mind. Then I got a few questions about what's my favorite subject and why. I think the languages are my favorite subject because I like learning new languages. I'm not good at like reading tests and listening tests. Not because I'm not good at the language, because like that's not the case, but I just can't do like reading tests and listening tests. So I don't know, but I think that's my favorite subject. What backpack are you going to use this year? I talked about that in my back to school haul, which is on my channel, so if you want to see that, click the link down below. I will be using a Fjällräven backpack. I will be using the black one and then the biggest size so my MacBook can fit in it. Do you like your school system, or would you rather go into school in America or the UK? I don't know, because I live here, I know what my school system is like, and for me the UK school systems and like the American school systems are like really difficult and weird because I don't live there. I mean, if I would live there I would understand them, and then I probably would think Dutch school system are weird. I do like my school system because I know how it works and stuff like that. I don't really know everything about the American or the UK school system, so I like mine. Some tips on being productive and be good at school. If you want tips about being productive, I'm not the one to ask because I am like the least productive person ever. How to make friends. I'm going to a new school, so I have to make friends as well. I say just be nice to people, talk to people, and try to be social, I guess. When does your school start? I have my introduction the 27th and 28th of August, and then my like actual school starts on the 3rd of September. How do you go to school? To high school I always went with my bike for about 40 minutes, or the bus sometimes. To college I have to take the bus for like 15-20 minutes, and then I have to take the train for 40 minutes by train and bus. When do you get up in the morning? I don't know because I don't have my school schedule yet, but probably early because I have to like travel for about an hour to school, so probably early. Have you ever been bullied for your YouTube channel? I mean, no, I haven't been like actually bullied for it. There are people who like laugh at you and like joke about it, but there's always people who joke about it. I mean, not everyone can like it, but I like doing it, so I don't care. Would you prefer to have a uniform or do you like wearing your own clothes? In my country we don't have like school uniforms. I like not having it because you can like decide what you want to wear. I don't think it's that bad to have uniforms, but I do prefer to like decide what I want to wear instead of a uniform. The last question is, do you want to go to a university or college in a foreign country, or could you imagine to do that? I have been thinking about taking like a gap year and do like a language course in another country. So I am going to college in my own country, but I could see myself do it in like another country. Really like other countries and stuff like that, so I could see myself do it, but I'm not. Maybe one day, I don't know. That was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you have any other questions about back to school, just ask them in the comments and I'll reply. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!